ELV Group was established in 2009 and had successfully completed 12 years of a transformational journey. What began as mid-sized residential constructions soon translated into large-scale projects spanning across residential apartments, villa communities, plotted developments, commercial buildings, and more. With a strong visionary leadership, our business segments span across construction, education sector, hospitality, and more in the pipeline. Our core values are to provide quality at all times, being transparent to all stakeholders, innovate by continuous research, and execute with practical usage in context. Growing at an exponential rate with unwavering commitment, our current operational commitment in next 3 years spans across 5 million square feet of residential construction and 300 acres of land bank. ELV Kingsland is a meticulously crafted, practically designed and constructed modern architectural marvel in a 2.5-acre land, just 5 minutes drive away from ITPLM, major IT companies. Built with aluminum framework technology in just 25% of the space in Prime, is one of the most sought-after projects in Whitefield, Bangalore. ELV Akriti Arc is a gem, hidden away from the hustle and bustle of Bangalore city, that helps you and your family reconnect to a life with nature while offering a life of international luxury standards. Designed by Singapore architects, these 4 BHKs villas are one of the most naturally ventilated homes in South Bangalore. ELV Cosmopolis was conceived and constructed with the intention of being a complete home for a complete family, packing it with something of interest for everybody in the family. Situated 5 minutes from TCS headquarters in Adibatla, Hyderabad, these homes are considered a good investment in addition to the modern lifestyle offerings. ELV Amoris is a commercial space located on Whitefield Main Road, Bangalore. Located in at a prime space, this offers a great space to execute business with ease and provides great rental value. ELV 55 Degrees East Fort is located at Bandalagoda, Jagir, one of the fast-growing residential areas in southwest Hyderabad. Power-packed with modern amenities and spacious indoors, this space is sure to elevate your living experience and build long-lasting memories. ELV High Garden is the most awaited project to be launched in Whitefield, Bangalore. Building grey around greens, these ultra-premium apartments have one of the most beautiful natural settings in a prime location. ELV Urban Intervene, located in prime settings of Attapur, Hyderabad, is slated for launch towards the last quarter of 2021. One of the most modern architectures with mixed development of retail, commercial, office spaces and residential apartments, is sure to become a landmark. ELV Whitefield Layout is an investment hotspot situated close to IT companies, hospitals, educational institutions and all lifestyle needs. Carefully planned by international architects with most modern amenities and a 50,000 square feet clubhouse, you will be living in one of the best resorts. The Prodigies International School, located in Ivartur, Bangalore, was ideated to realize the innate potential of each child and transform them into a prodigy. With a well-planned infrastructure, an integrated modern curriculum and highly trained ethical teachers, this school is sure to produce the best responsible leaders of tomorrow. Join ELV family and enrich your living experience or enhance your investments. Contact us to know more.